Making real ramen.
Ye age-old debate. Broth or no broth? I vote. Eat it like a soup or you're wrong. It's soup. The broth's delicious.
Gabe,
You definitely keep the broth. Honestly.
keep the broth.
Grow up.
Soup.
Shane! Broth or no broth?
A mix of both.
A little bit of both? A little bit of both.
Always broth.
A brownage of our shanks and our bones. Some bones from our rib roast. Beef shanks. Hit them with some salt. Our instant pot. We throw in that many cilantro stems. That many. Some lemongrass. Tablespoon of garlic. That much ginger. And we're gonna strain this stock out, so I'm not worried about peeling it. A couple ounces of chopped Spanish onion. A couple inches of kombu, ground up pretty good. Toss it in there with all of our stuff. Fat and oil in there. A little bit of water. Getting those goodies that are stuck to the bottom of the pan. Some rice vinegar, soy sauce, and some hoisin. All right, we got everything covered with water. Throw it in the Instant Pot. We're gonna let that baby rip. 45. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. All right, so while we have our bones of beef in the Instant Pot, getting happy, we're gonna quick pickle these onions. Enough to coat all of them. That is about exactly a tablespoon of regular white sugar. Now you gotta get up in there with your hands, separate the onions, all the layers of onion. That will ensure it all macerates. Breaks down the cell wall, makes it yummy. Good. Our enoki and shiitakes. A little more soy sauce. Hoisin. Not a whole lot. Alright, we're gonna cut this down to size. Big old rib roast. Alright, now salt these bad boys. Hit them with some hoisin. Bring some awesome flavor. And let that sit until our broth is done. Good. Bok choy, soy sauce, little splash of vinegar. Boiling water for 3-4 minutes. Bowl. We're gonna take our Instant Pot broth.
None of you told me what kimchi is.
You're an adult.
Who's fuck? Shane.
I blame the schools.
Christina, is this Gingy?
I'm sorry I let you down.
This is amazing. Are you serious right now? I've never in my life had good ramen ever.
Do you know how to use those?
I
Tony.
had
Tony. You don't know what kimchi is and you can't use chopsticks? Okay.
Holy smokes.
Oh my god, Tony, just get a fork. Please, just get a fork. Yeah.